In this video we are going to talk about 5 people who become millionaires by Bitcoin. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. According to the most recent available data, in the year 2022, the market capitalization of Bitcoin, a digital asset and payment system, would be approximately $881.85 billion. Many people consider it to be one of the most successful digital currencies ever established, and they are right. It was announced in October 2021 that the world's first Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, ETF, was established, propelling the cryptocurrency to fresh all-time highs. Bitcoin's meteoric climb since 2009 has resulted in the creation of a surprise and diverse group of millionaires. These millionaires have made their fortunes by developing goods that help to develop Bitcoin's still developing ecosystem. For example, some have set up exchanges for the trading of cryptocurrencies and derivatives based on them. Others have taken advantage of it to develop financial products and tokens that have generated millions of dollars. There has been a big rise in popularity and the price of Bitcoin, which has helped their products and services. This has helped them make more money. To be sure, Bitcoin is and continues to be a high-risk asset class. The lack of regulatory safeguards and the volatility of Bitcoin prices have attracted both criminals and investors to the cryptocurrency market. However, these disadvantages simply serve to highlight the accomplishments of Bitcoin billionaires, who not only were early users, but also correctly forecasted the economic potential of the cryptocurrency. Number 5. Sam Bankman-Fried. Sam Bankman rose to prominence in a short period of time. Dietrich Fried's rise from the position of crypto millionaire to that of crypto billionaire has been extremely quick. According to Forbes, based on his age and MIT degree, he will have a net worth of $26.5 billion when he starts FTX, one of the world's most major cryptocurrency exchanges, in October 2021. First Trust Exchange, FTX, distinguishes itself from the competition by offering a diverse variety of new items that are not available on other exchanges. Complex derivatives, digital tokens representing tangible shares, and contracts for initial public offerings, IPOs, are just a few of the goods that are included in this portfolio of investments, IPOs. A pledge of more than $5 million to the 2020 presidential campaign of current United States Vice President Joe Biden garnered widespread attention early this year, prompting Bankman-Fried to become a household name. His great commitment to protecting the environment has led him to identify as an effective altruist, someone who maximizes his or her social impact across a broad variety of societal initiatives, and he describes himself as a native Californian who follows a vegan diet. Number 4. Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss. According to the New York Times, Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss used the millions of dollars they earned as a consequence of their lawsuit against Facebook to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. As a result of a jump in Bitcoin prices, they became the first millionaires in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, a distinction they have to this day. In accordance with Forbes estimates, they each have a net worth of $5 billion. Even though they are best known for their Bitcoin investments, the Winklevoss twins are also successful businesspeople who created the Gemini cryptocurrency exchange in 2012. The exchange has a market capitalization of $7.1 billion at the time of its $400 million fundraising campaign's conclusion in November 2021. They also own Nifty Gateway, a platform for the buying and selling of non-fungible tokens that facilitates the exchange of value NFTs. Number 3. Barry Silbert. Mr. Barry Silbert, who acts as the company's chief executive officer and founder, launched the Digital Currency Group in 2007. DCG. Forbes estimates that he has a net worth of $1.6 billion. The company's mission statement states that it exists to accelerate the expansion of the global financial system. This is what the company does. As a result, it establishes and promotes firms that use Bitcoin and other blockchain-based technologies. As a result of working with DCG, Silbert has had an even bigger impact on a lot of different businesses. The first of these is the news media. Earlier this year, Digital Currency Group announced that it had acquired CoinDesk, a leading source of Bitcoin news that also sponsors the annual Bitcoin industry conference, Consensus, as part of its acquisition of the company. A market-making and trading organization that specializes in digital currencies is owned and operated by Silbert through his Genesis Group, which also includes Grayscale, a firm that specializes in digital currency investing. Silbert founded and owns the Genesis Group. Silbert is also the founder of the Bitcoin Investment Trust, GBTC, an exchange-traded fund that tracks the price of Bitcoin. When influenza struck, Grayscale's total number of assets under management, AUM, increased to more than $20 billion, representing a considerable increase over the previous year's total AUM. Several JP Morgan analysts have even stated that the ability to maintain trust is critical in determining the value of a Bitcoin. A lot of people call him the king of cryptocurrency because he has invested in more than 100 Bitcoin and blockchain businesses. Number 2. Brian Armstrong. According to Trade Volume, Brian Armstrong is the founder of Coinbase, which is the most popular Bitcoin exchange in North America, according to the company's website. In 2012, he co-founded the exchange with 2 other individuals after quitting his job as a software developer at Airbnb. Armstrong currently owns a 19% stake in Coinbase, and Forbes estimates that his net worth will reach $10.4 billion when the company goes public in January 2022. During the same time period as the above-mentioned time frame, Armstrong's net worth was estimated to be $9.69 billion by Bloomberg's list of billionaires. Because of its user-friendly design and well-established reputation, Coinbase is frequently referred to as the entry point into the cryptocurrency ecosystem for individual investors. Because of the volatility of the cryptocurrency market, the exchange has experienced a number of issues, including trade halts and other difficulties scaling its operations. According to the most recent available data, it went public in April 2021 and had a total market capitalization of $65.961 billion at the close of trading on January 3, 2022, according to the most recent available data. For example, according to Armstrong, the reason for founding Coinbase was his ambition to see a global, open financial system that supported innovation and freedom all around the world. Number 1. Michael Saylor. Over the course of the past several years, Bitcoin has attracted a large number of non-traditional investors who have poured money into the cryptocurrency. It is rare to find someone who has Michael Saylor's level of commitment and excitement for his company, MicroStrategy Incorporated, which is a software development company, MSTR. During the month of August 2020, the company purchased a Bitcoin worth $250 million, marking the beginning of the company's cryptocurrency purchases. It said at the time that it was buying cryptocurrencies to make better use of the money it had available on its balance sheet at the time. Over time, Saylor has become a big fan of Bitcoin. He has appeared on TV and at cryptocurrency conferences to tell people about the benefits and applications of the digital currency in question. 21 MicroStrategy has increased its Bitcoin holdings to $3.5 billion during the course of the year 2021, taking advantage of a drop in the value of the cryptocurrency to make the purchase. According to Saylor, his organization has reaped significant benefits from this strategy. Since the news of the Bitcoin acquisition, the stock price of MicroStrategy has increased by more than 337%, according to the company, as of December 2021. Additionally, Saylor's net worth has climbed by $2.2 billion, according to Forbes, due to the investment in Bitcoin that he made in 2013. Investopedia and the author of this piece make the recommendation to invest in cryptocurrencies and other initial coin offerings, ICOs, but nothing in this article should be construed as an endorsement of cryptocurrencies or other ICOs on the part of Investopedia or the author of this post. It is always advisable to get the guidance of a competent specialist before making any financial decisions because each individual's financial situation is unique. What do you think about our video? Please let us know in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from me again, please subscribe and turn on the notification before leaving. Thank you for watching us.